Hello everyone and welcome to my kitchen. I'm gonna be teaching you guys today my green enchiladas recipe and I hope you like it. I'm gonna get my apron on. We don't wanna mess up your normal clothes while you're cooking. Okay guys, so the ingredients that you'll need for this. Let's get serious. Cilantro. Make sure it's cilantro because sometimes parsley and cilantro, they look alike. Not to mention, I made the mistake of buying parsley one time. So, buy cilantro. Another thing, buy some serrano green chilies. This is gonna make it spicy. It depends on how spicy you want it. If you want it not that spicy, I recommend 2. But if you want it really spicy, put in all 5. A white onion, not yellow, but white. And tomatillos. Okay, so these are tomatillos and you gotta peel them each. And you're gonna wash them first and then you use them. Okay, so you gotta take off the cover. Okay, now that you guys saw the ingredients for the salsa, oh, and garlic. I'm gonna show you garlic too, and some salt, okay? Okay, so now that you wash your tomatillos and your cilantro, turn into like a lighter green. Ooh, your half an onion. I guess we can cut this in half. Put it in the blender. And watch the... So you're done blending it. And this should look like this. It smells really good. Don't forget the salt. When you're done blending it, you put it back and you cook it just a little bit more. Put a little bit of salt. And you always want to add a little bit of olive oil so the sauce can keep cooking. You need your tortillas. Make sure you get the tortillas that are regular size, not the taco size, not the little ones. They have to be regular size. Like this, okay? And your cheese. And you gotta get a oven safe, I can't remember what this is called, but it has to be oven safe so you can put it in the part that you gotta, each tortilla has to be fried in oil and then dipped in the sauce. Okay, so I'm going to show you that process. Roll it up, but I like to make it like some enchiladas lasagna. It's really up to you. Just like a lasagna. And that's the sound of the oven. We are done with the enchiladas. Look at this. Safety first. Well, let me go turn that off. Okay, are you guys ready? Let's cut into, you want to make a perfect square. Ooh, this looks yummy. The cheese is melted. Presentation is everything. So you want to make a nice, even on the crema. And then to top it off, queso fresco. And you can add whatever you want after this. You can add more like avocado slices, whatever you want. And it's done. Thank you for joining me. And until next time, look, I have cheese on my fingers. It's just me and Francisco, so. But till next time, I hope you like my video and enjoy your enchiladas. Bye. I made some homemade green enchiladas. The sauce, I made it by scratch. Can't wait to share you guys my special recipe.